What is up, guys? I hope you all are having an amazing day today. Today is gonna be really crazy cool for me, as long as it doesn't rain. Today is looking kinda ugly. But right now I'm dog sitting one of my neighbor's dogs for like this week. So I'm going to check in on the dogs. But yeah, today I'm gonna go to a football game, and I'm also having another Thanksgiving dinner. So it's gonna be awesome. Hey, Charlie. Hey, Duchess. Oh no. Just bye bye. Okay, guys, so I kind of forgot to record today. I didn't do much because I just got lost in all the partying, so I'm sorry I didn't get much footage, but I have a couple mystery packages right here, so I guess I'm gonna open those and then say goodnight. Okay, here goes the first package. I haven't gotten to see any of these. I just had to open it so that way I could do it with one hand. Oh, it's my phone case. Look at how nice this looks. Oh, it's got like a carbon fiber finish on the... Okay, before I open up this package, the only reason why I'm not putting on my case right now and really showing you how well it fits and stuff and really giving you a review is because I use my phone to vlog. So I can't really record my own phone. So yeah, I wish I could. I wish that was a thing I could do. Oh man, I could have been using that light. But ooh, I see Ovo. What's Ovo? Lenovo! All you kids at school who have been making fun of me for my laptop being absolutely terrible, well, get wrecked, because I just got a brand new Lenovo that's even better than yours. Okay, here we go. So they don't have the prettiest unboxing in the world. Okay, so it comes with everything you need. A little how it works booklet, fine laptop, and a nice little charging thing. And finally, I have the same charger as everyone else at school, so now I can borrow someone's or let them. That is going to be it for this episode. I hope y'all enjoyed. I did. I had a great time today, and I hope I made your day amazing. I record almost every day just to make you guys have an awesome day. My job is to cheer you up or give you insightful information on like what laptop to buy if you're trying to do good in school and other things like that. I'm not just trying to get famous and stuff like that. That's the byproduct of trying to make someone's day. So I just would thank you all for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, because it also makes my day if you guys like and subscribe to me, because it just shows me that what I'm doing is actually working, and it drives me to make happier, better videos for you guys every day. So see you all later, guys. Bye bye.